there. Ignite it. Ignite it. When it ignites, automatically like nuclear weapon, the energy comes. Now electricity comes, nuclear electricity more important. Thermal electricity, electricity not that. Nuclear electricity very important. My atomic fission, is it not? My subject is this. So inside you, lot of energy there, that is you invent it, explore it, excite it, ignite it, and after the energy comes from you and it will give you right future to our India and to all. My dear students, you have a lot of talents, lot of energy. Only think of yourself. I always never work for the wherever I go, everywhere I say that, but my dear students, don't talk other things. Think of yourself. Think of yourself. We talk about everybody. Just to see the newspaper, we talk about this national, international, something happening in Russia, Ukraine, so and so, everything, lot of things we discuss and but I say that. Can you think about yourself never? Yes, you should think about this. What we are, where we are, what is our aim, what is our goal, what is our life ambition, what to do. When you start thinking, automatically, is it not? You get the idea. When you get idea, that becomes goal. That is nothing but you have to burning desire. You have to how you have to reach that goal is burning desire. After thinking yourself, you start thinking about yourself, to come up in the life, you will get lot of ideas. You may want to become software engineers, or you may want to become CEO. You may want to become IAS or IPS officer or something great person. When the idea comes, automatically you start what to do, where are the ways, find the ways. You will think of finding the ways. Aspiration to having aspiration aims is different. Having aspirations aims are different. And to materialize to shape it, we have to one fundamental quality is required, that is called burning desire. Inside you burning desire is there. Heart burning desire is there. Inside some burning is going on. Heart burning desire. How to patient. Astimtam. How to get then automatically you will work and you will find the ways. Only thing is idea. But Tata some company idea changes. ఒక ఐడియా జీవితాన్ని మార్చేస్తుంది అండి. ఎక్కడ చూస్తాం మనం సంథింగ్ ఇన్ టీవీ యాడ్ ఒక ఐడియా జీవితాన్ని మార్చేస్తుంది. yes ఐడియా జీవితాన్ని మార్చేస్తుంది. ఆలోచన జీవితాన్ని మార్చేస్తుంది. ఒక వండర్ఫుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ ఐ సెడ్ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యు సెండ్ యు దిస్ మండే. ఈ గాట్ many are there such aspirations. ఒక పెళ్లి కదా ఆఫ్టర్ మ్యారేజ్ having 2 children. Once she went to the parade ground like Adlabad in Chennai, 26 January, parade is going on. His husband is constable. One person is standing on the podium with uniform, young officer, and everybody going down there right like they are walking and they are saluting. After coming home, she asked her husband, "Who is that guy? Very junior, you are all more than 40 years old, he is there, he is like, how you are saluting, who is he?" What? He is our boss. He is an IPS officer, you know, he is an IPS officer. He is our boss. I don't think that. What is the meaning of any she explained? Immediately, without any second thought, see, immediately she told her, my dear Ravi, I will become IPS officer. She said, immediately she said, what? I will become an IPS officer. Then he laughed at her. Then he forgot what she was after him. He realized, and then your 10th failed. She failed the fees, cleared 10th class, cleared intermediate, after 2 children, cleared degree in distance education. Then husband realized, oh, she is not hard-headed. Then she generally people, husband thinks that the wife is or better off is something inferior. This is male ego. My husband, this is male ego. Every male ego, unless he is having full consciousness, otherwise, oh, my wife is something inferior to me and everything. So then he realized, oh, my wife is not the hard. Then she trained her in the institution, paid the fees, and she took the coaching, wrote exams 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She failed. Finally, mother-in-law Varani, Atta. This is a last chance. Come back to village. See, you look after your children, then no, this is the last chance give me. She burned midnight oil. She burned beautiful English. Burned midnight oil. Day and night work. Finally cleared primary, cleared the main examination, cleared personality development interview, and she selected as an IPS officer. And posted to Mumbai, an assistant commissioner of police in 2008 batch. Can you remember the decided name, doctor? A beautiful, very inspiring example. She is none other than Ambika IPS. If you, in your smartphone, if you type, you will get it, Ambika IPS. Go to the smartphone, is very fine. You can use it in a right way, in a wrong way. Generally, I do look into that IPS, Ambika. See, that is what made her to reach the goal. That is honey desire. My dear, obedient dear, identity people, you are here, here you are. We don't stop here, don't stop here. There is your dream, there is your talent.